The human brain is a complex organ responsible for our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. But did you know that there are notable differences between male and female brains? These differences can influence everything from how we process information to our emotional responses. While it's essential to recognize that individual variations exist, understanding the general trends can provide insights into the broader patterns of behavior often observed in men and women. This exploration delves into the structural and functional differences that characterize male and female brains, shedding light on how these differences may shape our experiences and interactions. One of the most significant distinctions between male and female brains lies in their structure. Research indicates that male brains tend to be larger than female brains, but size alone doesn't dictate functionality. For instance, studies have shown that women often have a thicker corpus callosum, the bundle of nerve fibers connecting the two hemispheres of the brain. This structural variance may facilitate better communication between hemispheres, allowing for enhanced multitasking and emotional processing. Conversely, men typically exhibit more localized brain activity, which may contribute to their proficiency in spatial tasks and problem-solving. These structural differences can lead to varying cognitive strengths, with each gender excelling in different areas. Beyond structure, the functional differences between male and female brains are equally intriguing. Neuroimaging studies reveal that men often engage specific brain regions when performing tasks, while women may utilize a more distributed approach. For example, during verbal tasks, women show increased activity in both hemispheres, while men may rely more heavily on one side. This could explain why women generally excel in language skills, while men often perform better in spatial reasoning tasks. Furthermore, emotional processing also varies. Women tend to be more adept at reading emotional cues and expressing empathy, which can be attributed to the greater activation of areas associated with emotion in their brains. Hormones play a crucial role in shaping the brain's development and functioning. Testosterone, which is higher in males, has been linked to spatial abilities and aggression, while estrogen, more prevalent in females, is associated with verbal skills and emotional regulation. These hormonal influences not only affect brain structure, but also impact behavior and cognitive abilities. For instance, fluctuations in estrogen levels during the menstrual cycle can affect mood and cognitive performance in women. Understanding these hormonal effects is essential for comprehending how they contribute to the differences observed in male and female brain function. The differences in brain structure and function have real-world implications for cognition and behavior. For example, men may approach problem-solving in a more analytical manner, often focusing on the task at hand without as much emotional consideration. In contrast, women may integrate emotional insights into their decision-making processes, leading to a more holistic approach. These tendencies can influence everything from workplace dynamics to personal relationships. In educational settings, recognizing these differences can help tailor teaching methods to better suit diverse learning styles, ultimately fostering a more inclusive environment. Despite the scientific findings, misconceptions and stereotypes about male and female brains persist. The idea that one gender is inherently better than the other is not only misleading, but also harmful. While certain trends may exist, it is crucial to remember that individual capabilities vary widely. Emphasizing differences can perpetuate stereotypes that limit potential and reinforce gender biases. It's essential to celebrate the unique strengths each individual brings to the table, regardless of gender, and to challenge the notion that cognitive abilities are strictly tied to biological sex. Understanding the differences between male and female brains offers valuable insights into human behavior and cognition. While structural and functional variations exist, They do not define capabilities or potential. Instead, recognizing these differences can foster greater empathy and collaboration between genders. As society continues to evolve, embracing the complexities of the human brain will lead to richer interactions and a deeper appreciation for the diverse ways in which we think and feel. Ultimately, the goal is to create an environment where everyone, regardless of gender, can thrive and contribute their unique perspectives.